Unlocking the phrase, lay one's hands on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations. Lay one's hands on. It's a phrase that can be quite versatile, and understanding its nuances can really help you in mastering the English language. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and uses of this intriguing phrase. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of lay one's hands on. To lay means to place something down carefully or gently. One's hands obviously refers to the hands of the person in question. So, putting it all together, the phrase can simply mean to place one's hands on something or someone. This is the most straightforward interpretation, but it's not the one you'll encounter most often in everyday language. More commonly, lay one's hands on is used in a figurative sense. When people say they can't wait to lay their hands on something, they mean they are eager to obtain, find, or acquire it. This could refer to tangible objects like books, gadgets, or clothes, as well as intangible achievements such as awards or recognition. For example, if someone says, "I can't wait to lay my hands on the latest smartphone model," they're expressing their excitement and anticipation about purchasing or owning that phone. There's another layer to this phrase when used in certain contexts. Lay one's hands on can also imply gaining control over someone or something, sometimes by means that are not exactly straightforward or honest. It can have a slightly negative connotation, depending on the scenario. For instance, he finally laid his hands on the rare book he's been looking for, though he had to bend a few rules. Here, the phrase suggests a bit of cunning or manipulation was involved in obtaining the book. Let's look at some example sentences to see how lay one's hands on can be used in various contexts. She's been trying to lay her hands on that limited edition dress for weeks. Once I lay my hands on that scholarship, my future will be secured. They couldn't lay their hands on any evidence against him. Notice how the phrase adapts to different scenarios, from excitement about obtaining something to the effort involved in achieving a goal. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, lay one's hands on. As we've seen, it's a phrase with a rich tapestry of meanings, from the literal act of placing one's hands on something to the figurative sense of eagerly acquiring or finding something. Understanding these nuances not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of the English language in its vibrant, living context. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we can't wait to lay our hands on the next exciting topic to share with you. Until then, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.